right, glad to have you back. It's time to review trading activities at the Nigerian Exchange Limited, and my colleague, markets editor Effiong Ekop, joins me live from the floor of the exchange. Effiong, after the holiday, the market is still staying in green. The figures we have here shows that the likes of Presco, Flour Mills, Sterling NG are doing well. Gainers list. Take us through market activities for today.
Yes, exactly. We have seen the positive trend after the workers' holiday. And in fact, apart from those other manufacturing companies that you've mentioned, we've seen the big banks coming into the fray. Almost all of them talk about Zenith, GT, Access, First Bank, UBA. They have all featured very prominently on the activity chart, and they are making huge gains. It's like investors are positioning their baskets against banking securities. They are looking to the windows of the big banks, and I see all of them positioning and then taking good attention from investors. It is like the shareholders, some of these banks are already trying to expand the holdings that they have ahead of the recapitalization exercises that many of the banks want to do. And they are already trying to lobby some of the shareholders association to be able to get approval for the volume of funds that they want to raise from them and also from the market. And so as it is, attention goes to the banking sector, and I think it is good enough, and we want to see what they want to do at the end of the day. Solo?
Sounds good, but it's looking like we would be able to sustain this moving forward. Do you think so?
The sustenance is a function of so many things. One, it is that of the entire economy. You know, it is biting left and right. Shareholders or investors are not finding it, easy to, cope with, the situation in the economy. Up here, many people are complaining, moving about, it is difficult. And so investable funds are what many of them are talking about. What you want to put aside to invest in the capital market for future wealth creation. Sometimes the economic situation will force that you dip hand into what you have set aside, and even the one you've already invested, you may be forced to, take back from the market. And that is giving friction to fund managers to be able to calculate and forecast the direction of trade or what they need to do. And it's also affecting portfolio management. But as it is, we just have to see and then react to the situation as the economy dictates. And so that's just what we see right now.
All right, then we expect investment to come in. Myself and Dr. Yusuf were talking about that earlier, that some of the policies of government, we expect that, not FPIs this time, maybe we could have some FDIs coming.
Exactly, because a number of times when the president gets out of the country, we know it's on investment bidding. And even the recent one, we understand so much that the Arab businessmen are looking forward to our oil and gas. Good as this appears, the basic thing that we want the government to do to ensure that infrastructure beef up to be able to keep pace with the level of investment that may flow into the economy. Basically, electricity is what everyone talks about. Electricity problem has affected household businesses. Even the private sector operators are finding it very difficult, to cope. So when you even think of big businesses coming in and the quantity of electricity that they will need to run the turbines of their factories, you know that the present level of generation of electricity and supply cannot cope. So we need to do a lot of investments in that sector to be able to expand production, to employ many of our people that are unemployed.
Amos, thank you so much. Brilliant analysis as usual. My colleague Effiong Ekop, live from the floor of the Nigerian Stock Exchange. See you later, Effiong.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
All right. Outside our shores,